Okay naman. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! Hindi ko alam kung paano umpisahan. Hi! Ano ba? Ano ba ito? Hindi ko alam! Okay, ano ba ito? Sige, kinakabahan. Kinakabahan! Okay. Hi! Hi! Welcome to my channel. Channel? Paano ba? Hindi ko alam kung paano umpisahan. Ang gulo ko. Wala. Yung thoughts ko, it's all over the... Ah! Ano ba? Ayusin mo. Okay. Nag-lip balm. Nagamit ko guys. Yan. Lukas Papaw. Paubos na nga siya. Meron akong bago. Anyway, ito na. Welcome to my channel. Ito na ang pinaka-ihintay nating... Wow! Kala mo naman talaga hinihintay, no? But, matagal ko na tong gustong gawin. Hindi ko lang talaga ginagawa. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Probably because busy sa work and hindi ko talaga siya pina-prioritize. Pero matagal ko nang gusto tong gawin and finally I'm doing it, no? May mga friends ako wow, kahit wala naman. Hindi, may mga friends ako nagsasabi na I should do something like this, no? Vlogging, content creation. And I think it's something na I enjoy doing. Nakakatamad lang talagang mag-edit ng video. No, di ko alam kung ako lang. Pero ang dami kong clips and video recording sa phone ko. And hanggang dun lang siya, recording. I never post it. Tamad na tamad talaga ako mag-edit. So, I hope sa mga susunod na araw. I hope ito na lang yung umpisa ko na ganahan akong mag-edit and mag-umpisa sa content creation era ko. Wow! Content creation era. And yeah, hopefully, every week every week na makapag-post ako ng 1 or 2 videos or any kind of content para at least maging consistent ako. The problem is, siguro masyado akong spontaneous about this. Apparently, wala pa akong nakalatag na plano. Nag-record lang ako ngayon. No, para, alam mo yun, siguro for motivation, para makita kung how this would work. But we'll see. Tingnan natin kung paano mangyayari. Syempre, busy din sa work, no? So, kailangan ko i-prioritize yun over this. But I'll look at this as a passion project. Well, technically, hindi ko masabing passion project kasi hindi ko pa naman din alam kung passionate ba ako about this. I know this is something that I enjoy or I would enjoy doing, but I'm not yet sure kung this is something that I'm passionate about. But sige, let's call it a passion project. What to expect in this channel? Hindi ko rin alam. Nung mga nakaraang gabi, nag-iisip ako kung anong magandang title for the channel or title nung magiging podcast ko eventually. Ang hirap mag-isip kasi ayokong mag-focus on like one area or one thing. No, gusto ko iba't ibang klase pag-usapan, deep thoughts, anything random, fun, quirky, no. Some people would say dapat mag-focus ako on something, no, na kailangan ito lang, pero this is my channel, huwag na nangingialam. I just wanna be, I wanna tackle a lot of things. Tackle talaga. No, I mean, kung pag-uusapan lang natin ng mga bagay-bagay. I want to have a variety of things to talk about. Hindi lang, okay, focus ka dito, focus ka sa ganyan. I mean, for some content creators, that would work, no? And I'm not saying that would work for me, but that's what I want for this channel. And tingnan na lang natin kung mag-work siya. Kung hindi, di hindi. At least, I tried. No? So yeah, that's one thing to expect. Nothing talaga, no? to expect, wala pala. Kasi sobrang random. But yeah, that's one thing. Second would be, puro ako lang ba makikita nyo dito? I'm planning na to invite some friends to be in some of my videos, no? Sa mga susunod na content ko sa podcast. Yeah, I'll be interviewing. Interviewer na siya! Some people, no, share their experiences, talk about their life, share some wisdom, ganyan. What else? Siguro I'll also use this channel to share din yung mga travel ko, no? Kung meron man sa mga darating na linggo. Yes. Yeah, no? I think maganda idea yun na i-share ko yung travel ko dito. Saan ako nagpupunta or siguro a day in my life din. Yeah. I don't know. Baka kayo kung if you have any recommendations or kung meron kayong mga gustong i-suggest na pwede nating pag-usapan dito sa channel. Let me know. Comment down below. Oh, finally nasabi ko dito. Comment down below. Comment down below. Yan, dyan. Comment kayo dyan. Or send me a message. Send me a direct message. I just don't know. No, sobrang spontaneous nitong video na to. Sobrang raw, unfiltered. Naka-focus ba sa akin? Naka-focus ba? Parang blurred dito, di ba? Hindi ba blurred? Okay, let me know na lang kasi first video to, no? So, sabihan niyo ako kung ano pang pwede ko i-improve dito. Kasi hindi ko masyadong makita eh. Yeah. Let me know kung ano pa mga kailangan ko improve sa content creation era ko. May pagdighay. Yeah, I won't make this long kasi gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na ito na ang umpisa ng paglalakbay natin sa Encantadia. Yeah, let's talk about things you'd like to talk about. Wala pa akong nakalista. Baka meron kayo dyang gustong malaman or topics that you want me to discuss. I'm not a professional on a lot of things, pero I'd be happy to share my experience with you guys sa iba't ibang aspeto ng buhay. Send me a message, comment down below, or send me an email. Wow, sobrang formal no, send me an email. But yeah, I hope you'll see more of me in the next few days. Bye!